everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library, and thank you for stopping in for another STEM project. Today, we're making paper parachutes. So, what you need is a coffee filter, 3 pieces of string or yarn, the same length, and 1 pipe cleaner so that you can make your action figure. Okay? And like always, if you need help with scissors or tape or anything, okay, observe safety first, ask your parents for permission, and have fun. So, the first thing we're going to do is get our action figure ready. So I have a pipe cleaner here, and we're just going to bend that in half, just like this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna twist it at the top, and just like you're, just like you're twisting. If you ever had like a twist tie on a bag of bread or anything like that. So there you have that. So the head is coming out. Now we're gonna take this. You just take one at a time, and you want to stretch it straight. Then bring it in. Okay, I'm going to straighten that piece out. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to take the bottom piece. Hello. And we're going to bend it down. So it looks like an upside down L. The letter L. So we have an arm, a leg, the head, of course. And now I'm going to turn this around. Same thing, doing the same exact thing. So we're going to stretch this out straight. Bring it in, just like that. Just going to bring that together, and I'm just going to squeeze the bottom until we get a leg. Sometimes it gets a little tricky, but you can do it, and so can I. And if your figure isn't perfect, that's okay. You can bend and twist until we have a little action figure going on. Say hello, everybody. Hello, hello. So we have our action figure ready to go. Now, the next thing we want to do is make the parachute. So we have our coffee filter here. Now we have 3 pieces of string. Now what we need is tape. So you want to put your string right on top of the coffee filter and tape it to the top. Okay, so we're going to have that. So even as you do it, you want to make sure that the strings are evenly spaced along your coffee filter until, of course, it looks like this. So we have our parachute ready, we have our figure ready. Next thing now is to connect the figure to the parachute. So you simply take your string. I'm just going to hold this upside down. And we're going to just tie our figure on. And I'm just going to give it a light tie to it. Of course, Nothing is permanent, so you can always change it, okay? So there go action figure and okay, now this is the fun part. We're actually now going to test out our parachute and parachute figure, and I'm going to step on here to do it. Now, you do not have to have a ladder. If you have a staircase, or if you are near a playground and have like a tower on a jungle gym that's high enough, that's fine as well. But wherever you're at and whatever you do, please get permission and be safe. Okay? So, we're ready for the big test. Parachute figure, are you ready? Our parachute figure said, yes, they are. Okay? So, on the count of 3, 2, 1 backwards, let's do the drop. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, drop off. Wow. So as you can see, the parachute slowed down the fall. And so that's what we want to look for. We're going to try it one more time. Okay, I'm just going to smooth it out. Make sure we're ready to go again. And parachute figure, are you ready? Parachute figure said yes. Okay, guys. Count it out again in your loudest voice. 3, 2, 1. Wow. And as you can see, the force that the parachute causes is called drag. Can we say drag? Just like you're dragging your leg, or if you're dragging a coat. That's the kind of force that the parachute makes when a figure is in motion. So it makes the fall is slower to fall and a less of an impact when it falls. Please experiment. Feel free to use other materials such as plastic bags, paper napkins, anything, because science is more than one thing. And I want to thank you so much for coming by, checking us out. This is Miss T and Coffee Figure from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. And until we meet again, be safe. So long for now.